Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from SoFi Automated Withdrawals to your bank. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the SoFi app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab located at the bottom of the screen. Look for the Automated Withdrawals section within your accounts. Tap on the Automated Withdrawals option to access your settings. You will see a list of your current automated withdrawal settings. Choose the specific withdrawal you want to cancel or modify. Next, tap on the three dots or the edit icon next to that withdrawal. Select the option to withdraw to bank. You may be prompted to confirm your bank account information. Ensure that your bank account is correctly linked. If everything is accurate, proceed by tapping Confirm. Review the details one last time before completing the process. Once confirmed, your withdrawal will be processed back to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transaction to reflect. If you have any issues, navigate to the Help section for support. Now, you can easily manage your automated withdrawals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.